Welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, bro. Oh, my children.
Welcome.
Una don come?
Yes, sir.
Wetin happen now?
They sent us home because of school fees. They said it's up to 3 times now that you have not paid our school fees, that we should go home. That if we do not bring our school fees, that we shouldn't come back to school again.
Ijowa. Oh. Since morning, I left to the market. I left for work. I waka for the whole Eke. I no see wetin to carry. Anybody wey come market, you go just see carry him load put for head, come enter market. I stay. Na only one man. Now he come call me. Say make I carry him load. You put for him head. He give me 100 naira. I stay, son. Nearly beat me that for that place. Everywhere I lock up, oh. Government no get money. People no see business. The people say we go put eye for this farming, oh. Because this my barrow work. I no see where I go to get money, chop money, and the school fees. Well, una don't eat anything.
No, sir.
Okay, I get 100 naira. Make una go Mama Nkechi, that shop wey dey for that place. Buy garri and sugar. Eh? Make una go buy garri and sugar. Yes, I am. Welcome.
My brother, as you can see, the house, I'm still touching it. See, it's one of the things again. Workers, let's see, I have finished everything. We have one of the things. But as you can see, I have finished everything. Yeah. But, well,
As I was saying, I came for your help. Things are hard for you.
it's everywhere now.
This barrow work why they push. Business no dey there again. I try. No way. As I dey with you now,
Yes.
my 2 children, today no be school day.
Yes.
My 2 children dey for house. They pursue them for school fees.
Yeah.
So as I look, I see say that business, you no go carry me go any place. Now my call. I wan make you give me money, even if na borrow. You borrow me money, make I start business. So that make I dey see how I go take care of the family. Now him carry me go.
And like how much you are talking about?
You know say if sleep sweet, you go dey hear horror. I say at all 100,000. The thing wey suit me, make I dey do horror for bed, na 200,000. Even if you say make I pay you back, I go see am quick, come pay you back.
Okay, well. You're welcome.
Yeah.
My brother. Don't be saying money no day.
Ah, money day.
But as I'm talking to you now, money by my hand. Bill is yesterday or day for yesterday. Yesterday, I'm a rich and Chamaka. Come out from Enugu. But their school fees, they pay 700,000. And then my poultry farm there, 2 million I have to pay for it. And as you can see, if you watch this house, you see the touch her. They say they need to finish house one day. You can see working on it. So my brother, no problem. Maybe 2 days or 3 days, I'm back. Let me know what to do. Huh?
I hear you, my brother. But to make it not be say that 3 days there before it pass, somebody will put milk.
No. How you gonna take banana?
Okay.
No, it can't happen.
I'll be going.
All right.
I'll be going.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
All right. Brother.
So, now you move.
No,
Where you know if you carry? I asked you for market whether if you carry this wheelbarrow, you agree say if you carry am. Not even try look for my trouble. You dey hear me? Not try look for my trouble. See ma ask you, Christian. No be your brother na him be that ogbefi where they help people, where they give people money like water for this village. And whether na your sister na him marry that senator. And you dey push this wheelbarrow. See the wheelbarrow not even old. See what you wear for body. Nothing wey even show even get rich people. Aye! I know say na the bad thing wey you don do. Na it cause wey they no dey help you. Na the wicked thing wey you don do for this place. Na it people dey even dey reject you. Hey! Ya grown me ad go. Emio! Oya, waka dey pass me dey go. Waka dey pass because I no get time. I no even get time where I dey waste my saliva for this place they talk to you because I no even know. Waka dey pass where they go. You still stand? See, which kind of wahala wey full basket is this one? Which kind thing I go jam this afternoon? I say waka dey pass, man, they go. I say I no get time. Hey, I no blame you. You see that money we will talk, I no go give you that money. Come collect the money, I no go give you, na me talk am. I no go give you the money. Abeg dey go. Useless man. Nothing wey you get. Na because of the bad way they do for the village, na people know they even dey look your face. I say dey waka na, see cloth, dirty, everything, wheelbarrow no good, nothing wey you get.
John, my brother. You're welcome.
My brother. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Come as you tell me now.
Yeah. That man never come. I tell you. John, take this one. John, take now. I'm busy. I'll call you. Emeka! Sir? Come.
Papa,
What are you doing inside?
I'm preparing to go back to school.
All right. And how much do you say the month is?
Look, I'm managing 3 million and 4
Shut up your mouth. What for?
Look, I just managed.
Just look at yourself. Manage 3 million. Eh? I don't have such money now. I can only give you 2 million.
Papa,
Maybe
2
next.
million,
Shut up your
too
mouth.
small for me.
I beg, go up, prepare. Get out from my face.
2 million. I will just make a money 3 million.
I don't blame you.
My children, I'm just coming from your uncle's house, my brother. You remember I told you, saying time is make I come today.
Yes, I remember.
That house where he built for me.
I know that.
I waka go there. I enter. Small time, I look back like this. I see him. They waka puka from up. He come down. You don't even sit down with me. Stand. You know what thing can happen? It took hand for pockets like this. He bring out this.
Papa, Uncle Ogbefi man gave you this. So Uncle Ogbefi gave you this for our school fees and everything.
Make I take that money. Pay on our school fees.
With this money?
Yes,
Uncle Ogbefi give you this money, make you give us. Hi, look better for that man at all. So Uncle Ogbefi, overall Uncle Ogbefi gave man, give his own elder brother this thing for our poverty. God, no, go to polish poverty.
On all the money, all the pension, from my salary to pension, I use them when I deal with federal government. I use them, train them for school.
Ha! So by you
Fine.
Ogbefi.
Train them for work, train them for market.
So I'm Ogbefi no, hey God, no go better for that man.
I established them. I settled them when they start business. Senator come marry the other one.
And none of them feel remember.
Now,
none of them.
this one, now the payment,
From there.
the pay where we fee pay.
What is it?
Give me water. Give me water.
What is it? Hurry up! Hurry up! Papa, Papa. But what is it now?
My daughter, how do you think it happen? Talk to me, talk to me.
Hey.
and my daughter.
God, according to what my friend told me, she said that after the guys narrate all the story, he started coughing. And that is how he ends.
Just like that?
Just like that.
My God.
Areme.
Eh?
Ele.
What the shit? Okay. Somebody that came to me and I promised him to come back on Monday so that I will give him 10 million naira.
What?
Yes, 10 million naira. I told him to come back on Monday to take 10 million naira.
Hey.
To start somewhere. Even this house. I told him that I will break down this house and build a new house. Just to live well. Anyway, Emmanuel.
Ubefi.
Which much have you taken to?
Ubefi, I managed to organize you to take him to Shanahan Mortuary.
Thank you very much. Emmanuel, did you deposit anything there?
No. I don't give them anything, Ubefi.
After this meeting, I'll give you 200,000.
Yeah? Oh, thank you. Ubefi, 200,000.
Yes.
Hey! Thank you so much.
Hey!
I can remember that day that he pushed wheelbarrow for me.
Yes.
In the market. I pity this man.
God.
This man condition enter me. As the wheelbarrow reach my shop, I look this man finish. Despite the fact that I command my money 10,000 naira to this man. Take and settle your problem.
That's a good daughter.
And I promise him that day that if you need anything, just come to me and I'll give you anything, whether for your
It's alright, it's alright.
everything.
It's alright.
Hey!
You know, she's my only brother.
Yes.
I'll give him a befitting area.
Thank you.
Yes. Like a what and what do you need?
You only need the deposit. That's the only thing.
Don't worry. Like a gasket of how much?
Ubefi, anyway, we have the one of 100,000, we have the one of 50,000.
No.
We have the one of 200,000. We even have the one of 10 million, Ubefi.
I will do that.
Hey, thanks.
Don't worry.
Ubefi, the one of 10 million.
I'm telling you.
10 million?
Yes.
Hey!
He's my brother.
Hey!
The brother I have. Yes. What of these people that are cooking? Idea, do you have idea?
Yes, so.
Because I don't want this local.
No.
All right.
I have very good friends.
All right.
And they can cook very. She can cook. She can cook very well.
All right.
My dear, she can
How do she cook?
The food is good. And you know, this one that is like all this tradition of the thing.
Yes.
We have to celebrate this area for 1 week to show how we love him.
Yes.
So the food can cost 500,000 every day. So that is the only thing.
That's all.
That is all. And the food is delicious.
What of if you do it 2 weeks?
Yes.
Because you know he's my good brother. Anyway, I will you take care of that.
No problem.
2 weeks. Say 500.
Yes.
Don't worry. I will do that.
Thank you.
And
Daddy, we are not talk about drink.
we are coming. You are coming for that one.
I will be in charge of that one.
As my son.
Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
My friend, this is
Thank you.
Yes.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, they are cousin. Yes.
My dear, if you have to
Take it
I
easy.
appreciate it.
Emmanuel.
God knows everything.
No. All these traditional men are people, the Igwes and the Niches. You know, they need a cow. I think. All right. Just buy 3 cows
Buy
3 cows for the first day.
3 cows.
Yes, we do work it, man. One on the work it. And
3 cows.
yes.
Hey.
Like one. Cost how much? In fact, I need 250,000 cow. One. So yes.
Hey.
I'll take care of that. Thank you very much.
Wait.
No,
Consider it done. I'm going there.